News about BC rain. I warned about this some time ago. In fact, it was in August that there might be and possibly could be serious flooding due to this fire that took out over 3,000,000.5 hectares of forest. That is over twice as much as the largest fires in 2018, which was 1,320,000 hectares that burned. Now that's a real situation. Now we can see here there's warnings for rain and serious rain coming. And what happens is when they have the fires, they're putting a lot of heat up in the air. In fact, the fires have a temperature between 800 degrees centigrade as much as up to 1,200 degrees centigrade and higher, that is sending hot air go up in the air, and the sodium bicarbonate, or should I say the retardants that they have, they go up in the air, and the CO2 goes up in the air. And the problem is that it also carries a lot of water. The hotter the temperature up above is, the greater amounts of water it will carry. Now, if it was only 869,000 hectares that they burnt in 2021, and here they've had 3 million, is 3,500,000 hectares that have burnt up to this point. And this is beyond belief. Now, this is really something. Now they're saying and warning of rain in the weekend. We can see flooding. I can see it. It will happen unless they have done some mulching and training on the mountainsides and preventing it, and if they have left the dams so that there is enough water emptied that it can be replaced with the water that's come down in the rain. Now this is a very big problem. So if they have done that, there may not be a flood. But I can't help but envision that there's going to be something very serious happening. And I want this to be put out there so that people are really aware of it. They're putting this out there as, hey, there is a river in the sky. No, it's not a river in the sky. The winds, yes, they can blowing towards the ocean and whatnot, and there's hot air all around. It's not because of that. It's because of the forest fires. They have been orchestrating this situation all year long. And as we can see here, some pictures. I don't know whether they're actual current pictures or not. And then they have the idea they're blaming there is a atmospheric stream. They called it the Pineapple Express last time in 2021. Now here we have this what they call a typhoon or something coming along. It's supposed to be a problem. Well, this is irresponsible. They can put out the fires. They don't do it. They're using it for electricity, to pump electricity down to the USA, that they have a commitment, and California gets 80 or more than 80% of the electricity that we produce here. We have also the other river, the Columbia River, that goes down to the Columbia Basin, the Columbia River Basin there, and that is enormous amount of water going down there. So this is a real problem we have with our government. They just don't seem to understand, or they have some type of an agenda, and I'm fed up. And I hope you will be too.